The ultimate Bacsilog cheese sauce hack. First, let's make the cheese sauce. Prepare your Dane's quick melt cheese and slice into cubes. Melt butter in a pan. Add flour. Gradually add milk. Cook over low heat until thickened. Add Dane's quick melt cheese and stir until melted. Transfer in a container. Then let's make garlic rice. Heat oil, add minced garlic, toss in rice. Next, we fry an egg. And your choice of bacon. Now time to assemble. Add rice, bacon, top with egg and drizzle cheese sauce. Optional, add liquid seasoning. Surprise the family with #Danes the Milagro Maker. Enjoy!